Hi again and welcome. This is Links007 TV Celebrity Scoop. Coming up on the scoop for today, it seems as if the entertainers are having a feast in the current mango season on the local Caribbean island after Sean Paul and recording artist Spice posted videos of them both having the fun time with the fruit mango. When we return, we'll have the exclusive details of this to come on the program. This is Links007 TV Celebrity Scoop, and we'll be right back with the details to come.
Welcome to Celebrity Scoop on Links 007 TV, bringing you the latest news, views, and trends on celebrities.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. This is Links007 TV Celebrity to the Scoop. Wherever you are watching this right now in the world, I want to say much love and much respect goes out to you, the viewers, who are always supporting the movement of Links007 TV. So what I want to talk about is Spice's new single that is out there right now. And actually, Sean Paul and Spice enjoying the mango season on the local Caribbean island. But before we get into the details of that, Spice have had a major success through this year and previous years as well after her song Wine and Go Down There is actually blazing up the airwaves right across the world. And it's through the collaboration of Sean Paul, Shaggy, and recording artist Spice. And that collaboration, I must say, is doing very well out there on all streaming platform, has so far garnered 6 million views so far. I say over 6 million views so far in the current weeks that it has been out there on all social media platform. But without no delay, let me just go over to Sean Paul right now and join an East Indian mango right now, and let's see what Sean is up to. Let's go over to our screen right now. We'll provide you with this.
I'm gonna show you right now. It's a East Indian mango, very sweet, very hairy for the teeth and them thing there. Me love them cause them sweet, biggie. So we eat mango. You understand? This piece of vegetation, sweet. Skin it. No people that said it's done. Cause the fleshy part has so much juice in it, so see there now, mango mohawk. I did a good job. Scene, bless upon yourself. Have a good day.
So that was dancehall recording superstar, internationally acclaimed Sean Paul, showing you the fun time that he's having with the manga season. And without no delay, Spice actually captivated a moment of this as well, as it's actually mango season and her boyfriend was actually trying to get a mango for them both. So let's go over to that other clip right now, right here on Links007 TV.
Root of the tree. All right, one. Justin! Then they're gonna get weak and can't go no further. All right. You have to pick a ripe one, you know. Where you going? Yeah, babe, you did it. You're right. You can't just pick it, so you have to feel it if you're right.
Yeah, it's a good one. It's soft.
You
Better
got
than one I ate already.
You sure? Catch the cement drain.
Andre.
Wait. Don't make you bust, you know.
That one
Yeah.
Yeah, this one's good.
One more.
Yeah.
One more, man. Yeah.
So there, that was the moment Spice and her boyfriend actually in Jamaica enjoying this wonderful Caribbean vibes of picking a mango from a tree. Well, that's a good thing about Caribbean, and the wider tropical region when you can just go on a tree and you just pick a fruit and have it right then and there. So much respect goes out to Spice, much respect goes out to Sean Paul and also Shaggy on their current hit single Wine and Go Down There, which is doing very well on the charts right now. And it goes to show you that Spice has been very creative and instrumental in her own personal career, and she's actually a female in the business as well that still continue to propel her name right across the world. Shaggy and Sean Paul are household names right across the world, and they themselves have also cemented themselves as one of the top names within the dancehall space, or two of the top names, I should say, within the dancehall space of our music and our culture of reggae and dancehall music. So we'll continue to just provide you with any more information to come in relation to Spice new track and what's to come from the dancehall recording artist as she geared up to release her album soon. So we'll continue to track this story. Thanks for watching. This has been Links 007 TV, and just please remember, if you have a manga, have it then and there. Bless up my peeps. Much love, much respect. Peace.